So hi guys, so in this class like I'll be telling you the difference between first, okay? So I didn't tell you in the last class like difference between array list, linked list and the vectors and stacks. So just we will understand some key points difference, like if you understand this it is more than enough. So what is the key difference that which you have seen in the last class? So, what is the main difference in the sense? So, array list and the vectors, they are both are based on the resizable arrays. Okay, so you can change the array length, you can resize the array length. But coming to the linked list, so coming to the linked list is like it is based on nodes. So how does that value comes, right? So I'll just show you. See, it is based on key and value pair. So this is a data, imagine. So just I'll draw here and I'll show you. So imagine this is a box, and here you will be storing some data. So this is data, you imagine. So the blue, this yellow color one is data. So here how it comes means it will store in the value of key and value pairs, right? So here the data will be there, and here this is the data, and here it will be the previous value and the, so here just I'll write down data, data. So here you will be writing the data, and here next value and the previous value. So this is how it stores. So it is based on doubly linked list, double concept. So this is how. So this is what I told in the previous class. Okay. So here, as I told in the doubly concept, right? See over here I told, right? What is that? Yeah. Coming to the linked list. So here I told you like we will be creating it, and it will be storing in the doubly linked list method structure. Okay. So doubly linked list in the is nothing but it will be we will be storing the data, and we can also access the previous value and the next value. So okay, like that we can access. So this is the concept of that. But here this is this when we will be using, we will be using for resizable array over here. And stack is nothing but, so stack is nothing but it is based on the vectors itself. It is based on the vectors, and it will be implementing from the vector only. Okay, all the operations will be specified by the vectors only. Coming to the performance, so what is the performance it is telling? So array list and vectors are offers the random access but slow. So it offers the random access. Okay, it random access, and it is fastly accessible. We can access the data faster, but the but slower, like insertion and deletion is very slow in the, what I can tell, in the linked list. Okay, so you can access in the array list, you can access faster, and in vector also you can access faster, but coming to the linked list you cannot do that. So insertion and deletion is slower. Okay, And in the vectors, so vector is and like also it is also vector is also a synchronized, okay. So it is also safety purpose. So here you can see this one, vector is a synchronized overhead. So this is a synchronized manner. And stack is, so stack is nothing but it is nothing but it is like first in first out. So whatever the data you put inside first, and that is the uh, that data only you can take it first back. So I'll be showing you the example once again in the last class, because in the previous class you have got confused. And coming to the thread safety, what is a thread safety? So since this vector and stacks are synchronized, it is safety. So you, but coming to the linked list and the array list, they are not much safety, because they are not externally synchronized, okay. So it is not. So you can just go through this theory. So anyway, I'll be doing one more example for this. So you can just go to this theory. Just you need to know what is the difference and when you need to use. See here again, you will come to know when you what it depends upon your requirement, why and when you will be using all these statements. So whether you need to use array list or vectors or linked list, it depends upon the requirement which you need. Okay. So coming to the today's class. Okay. So coming to the today's class, like new concept that we will be learning about the sets. So first of all, the sets is also an interface. So this set is also has three classes. Okay, it has got three classes. I'll be showing you in the programmatical manner. So how and where the inbuilt methods and all I'll be showing you. So it has been divided into three. First is hash set and tree set and linked set. So just we will go for the program and just yeah. Hello. Hello. Okay. So just we will be going through the program now. Okay. So for that I'll be opening my Eclipse. Don't know why it is taking so long. Yeah. Okay. So yesterday we have already been, like in the last class we have already been created the collection package. So I'll go through the same package. And so inside that package I'll be creating the class called sets. So inside this set class, so I'll be taking one main method. So first, like actually how we need to create, first we need to take the set interface, that is set interface. So I have directly taken the set interface and I'll be giving the object for that. So you can either give integer or you can, so what you can give, either you can give integer or string. So I'll take a string. Hello. Yeah, you are horrible, right? So here I'll take one. So first we will be creating the asset. So this first topic we will be doing. Okay. So I'll take hs is equals to new. This is a class which we have been creating, and using the class name we will be creating an object. So just I will show you. So I should, okay, maybe remove this. Yeah. So I have imported it over here. So for example, see from where I am taking this. See, this one I am taking from the sets. Okay, I'll show you over here. Yeah. See, actually it is an interface, okay? It is, I don't know why it is not showing over here. Okay, let us come back to the topic. Actually, it is an interface which we will be taking from. This is an interface. Set is nothing but an interface, and as is a class, as I told. And just I will be showing you. So here, what we'll be doing, we'll be adding some elements. So how to first add the elements? Dot. We have add method, that will be the string form string. It will take a string data. So just I'll add something a and I'll copy that. B, C, and D. I'll print HS. See. So see, in asset, right? So in asset, like it is actually, it prints the random data. So if I see, if I make this as integer, yeah. and if I add it 190 and we make 40, and if I make it as 60, see, but in the when we did in the array list and all, like we used to get in the same order, right? But in this sets, right, set doesn't, first thing what we need to know is set. I'll just write down the note over here. Sets does not take a duplicate value. So if suppose if I make this, if I again print it, so you will not get, okay, because it does not take a duplicate values, okay, it will not print the duplicate values. So if you want, I'll just print, and so I'll just print and show here. Yeah. See, it will show false. So you cannot add. If suppose if already the data is, and again this point also is very important. If the data is already present, it will throw, or it will show false. It will show false because we cannot add the because sets cannot have duplicate values. So because since set cannot have the duplicate values, it is showing false. Suppose see, if I make this as 2, or 3, and if I print, see, it is showing true. Okay, it will show true because it is added. If I make 1, since it is already present, I cannot do the duplication of over here. But in the array list we used to do, right? See, but in the array list, we can have the duplicate values, okay, but over here we cannot have. In the set concept only you cannot have the duplicate values. And the main thing that you should notice is this prints the random values, okay, because it stores like that in the heap memory, okay. So and the next thing point is it stores the random values. So I'll write down here, it takes the, okay, while printing it prints the values. It, or else I can tell, it prints and in unordered value, unordered value I can type. So it does not print in the same order. Okay, suppose if you want to print in the order, at that time you will be using the trees concept. So just I'll take this, copy, so I'll apply over here only. So at that time what you will be doing, if you want to print in the order, that is this one also it prints in the ascending order. Okay, that what is that, you will be using the tree set. I have just imported even that. Okay, yeah, so this is the another class that which we will be using. So here tree is class, tree is class, that is tree set, tree set is a class, and over here it's a class. Okay, so how does tree sets work over here, I'll just show you. So see here, it prints in the ascending order, right? See, after 1, 40, 60 and 90, it is printing in the ascending order. Okay, so what, suppose if you want to print in the same order how it is being printed, so at that time, so here also you can take another note, that is tree set is used to print the elements in the okay, in the ascending order. Okay, it is used to print the elements in the ascending order. So it is by default only it is in ascending order. Okay, see it is printing in the ascending order. Suppose what if you don't want to print in the ascending order, if you want to print in the same order, at that time you will be using the, what is the last thing that we have learning over here, that is linked asset. So it is nothing but we'll be using linked asset. Okay, we'll be using the linked asset concept. So if I print here, see it is printing in the same order how we have done. So here I'll write, so how it will print, this is linked asset is also a class So how this link does it will print? It will print in the same insertion order. Insertion order. So linked list will print in the insertion order. Okay. So however you insert, suppose if you insert 40 and 60 over here, it will show the same. Or else if you add the first data, that is 90, it will print the same thing. Okay, so as usual, then we will be using the remove method for removing any data that whenever we want to remove, that is we use remove method to remove the data or an element, for example hs, that is hs dot remove 0. So in the index value of 0, whatever the data is, it will be removed. Just a minute. Why it is not? Any idea, guys, with why it is not removing? Okay. So here it removes the index, it's not removing the data. Yeah, now it will remove. I am removing the 90th data. Okay. So similarly over here you can also remove the data of to fetch the data or else to check the data which whatever the data is there. So you can use contains method. We use contains method to check if the element is present or not. So I will write here, it is hs dot contains So if it contains, it will return true or else false. Okay. So you see, if I return 0 over here, it is showing false. Okay. So this one also you can also do it in the if condition. So this contains, you can use in the if condition. For example, how in the sense, I'll take one if else condition. So I'll in the condition I will just put this contains "90" and here I'll take the print statement. So if it contains found the element in the set, else no data found. In the set. Okay, no data found in the set. So let us check what will be the answer. See, 90. Yeah, okay. We have removed 90, so it is showing no data found in the set. So just I'll write 1. I'll have changed the value. So we found the data in the set. Okay, we are getting that. So this is how we will be using. Okay. And there are some other methods that we will be learning under the tree set. Okay, so that is nothing but, so it is called as navigate operators. So we will be learning about these operators. So just I will show you. We will be learning about the navigate operators. What is that? Yeah, over here. So these are the navigational operators that which we will be learning. Okay, so these are the navigation operators you will be learning. First, last, higher, then lower, selling and floor. So these are some methods that which you will be learning. So before going to the program, just we will understand with what is that method contains. Okay, so here see, this is, there is some explanation they have given over here. So first returns the first lowest value. Okay, it returns the first lowest value. In the sense, what they are telling is, suppose see, I have an array, that is, imagine I'll add over here only. Okay, just I'll make this as 2, 3, 4, 7, 80, 100 and 40, then 60. I'll just print it. Have not taken any duplicated values over here. Have just printed. I'll comment this and this also. Yeah, this one we need. And I'll comment this if statement. Okay. So here what I'll be doing, first one, that is first method. Okay, so here what we will be doing, I'll be taking hs, this hs dot first method. So before that I should make this as tree set. So this is tree set. I will comment this and I'll open this one, tree set dot. That's the method I have been used. Yeah. Yes, it is correct. Only why I don't know. It's not taking. Mm. Lesson 5. Just I'll run and see. Okay. Now if I run, what is the error? What is the error? Okay, so this example I'll be telling you in the tomorrow's class. Okay, so all these things, what is the thing that I need to tell? I'll be telling the navigate operators in the tomorrow's class. Okay, yeah, okay. Thank you, guys.